How to withdraw money from Bigo Live. Earn some beans on Bigo Live. Great. Let's turn that into real cash. Here's how to withdraw your money. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then hit the wallet icon. Tap beans. This shows you total earning. Remember, you need minimum of 6700 beans to cash out. That's equal to about 30 US dollar. If you have more than 3700 beans, tap exchange beans or withdraw. You will be asked to link your Paynor account. This is the official payout partner for Bigo. If you haven't set it up yet, you will see there being Paynor. Tap it and follow the step to sign in or create a new Paynor account. Once linked, enter the amount of beans you want to withdraw and hit confirm. That's it. Payments are usually processed within 3 to 7 working days, and boom, users turn live stream love into real money. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more smart tips. Catch you in the next one.